guys, welcome back to Catching Si Silicon Toys channel. Today we're going to open this Barbie Milky Beats Delicious Milk Candy and this Barbie Chocolate Bars collectible sticks. Let's open them. Look like that. It tastes like a milk. Now let's open this Barbie Chocolate Bars collectible stickers. Color pink. We have a blue, green, and pink, and yellow. Let's open it.
Blue raw, violet daw. Yan, tama-tama hindi ako. Wag. Yan, nasa baba. Kailangan niya yung orange. Ayun.
Guys, this is the collectible sticker.
Ito, yan. Yan, ito na yan. Hindi, puputok na rin yan eh. Sige, pwede na. Sayang din.
Let's add it here. I have two collectible stickers here. Let's see. It look like that.
Pabantayan nyo din ito kasi minsan nag-ano
Yummy.
Ayan na, blue daw.
Cut them all.
Ay, blue pala yun. Violet pala kailangan ng putukin. Puro buto naman nandyan. Ito muna. Isa. Kasi may chance kung matutunan dyan. Magiging na. Ayun. Hindi ka naman yata eh. Yun lang, kung ano yung lumalabas. Ito niya ang orange. Ano, orange. Yun, sakto pala eh. Yan, dami pa. Yan, ay! Ayun, ganyan lang. Yan, sakto. Hindi na, ito na.
Well guys, that's over now. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe and like our post.